today's video, I'm going to be vlogging the whole fall rush process. It is currently round 1, day 1. We have to be out in the main area in like 3 minutes, but we're like out there a lot earlier, obviously. They just want us to take pictures and like be ready. I'll show you my outfit. It's just this Zeta t-shirt and then white jeans and also white boots and like silver jewelry. I'm kind of mixing silver and gold. I'm like so nervous because this is my first time formally recruiting people. I recruited in the spring, but it was only like 1 round and it wasn't as intense. We've had to do like 3-hour workshops all week. Like if I knew how like, I don't know how I was feeling as a PNM, that's like potential new member, I feel like I wouldn't have been as nervous. Like I'm definitely gonna tell them like I'm nervous too. Let's go out.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Wait, everyone's in the bathroom.
Okay, I'll go in the bathroom. Here's Jane.
I love that little camera. I'll be
She's
ready
little
for
content.
camera times.
Hi.
Hi. I love that.
Oh, you're not in Alexa? Here's Alexa. We all have our blue shirts and white pants. Oh,
You're
guys.
so cute.
Say hi, Grace. Hey. This is the house. Has all the composites on it. Little tour. Here's a little table. I just did blue eyeshadow.
Oh my God.
Using your eyeshadow. Just
I like
okay?
it. Yeah.
Her. Here's Adriana. Queen.
Getting a bit anxious, I guess.
Really? Just like everyone's about to come.
Yeah, it like feels like we've been waiting for this moment for so long and like now it's here.
Hey guys. Yay, Emma. Emma's ready. Little walkway. This room.
Because there's only
Wait. Wait. OMG, stop.
I want to be in the vlog right now.
Hi. Oh wait, you know. Here's Casey, Ava. Hi guys. Here's the letters. Oh, the lighting is so good. Okay, yeah. Everyone's just like all ready, just taking photos. Casey, Jill, Ava, and Alexa. All ready. Got my name tag. Here's Julia.
Hello.
They played like a cute round 1 video. They asked us like 1 question and kind of cut to each of our answers, and then there's like a montage in the end. So I guess we're gonna show that. Okay, it is now 5:28. People are gonna get here in like 30 minutes. Just been taking photos. I can insert some. They're actually really cute because the sun's kind of going down. Yeah, I just want to come in here and take a minute before everything starts. Also, if you don't know much about recruitment, round 1 is when there's the most people. I think like 715 girls or something signed up for recruitment, and I don't really know because my round 1 was online, but I guess they're all coming to each house. So that's this round. I think they wear a shirt too that Panhell gives them. Panhell's like, I don't even know to be honest, but they just like run kind of everything in Greek life. But we're about to start. We have to put our phones away soon. It's hectic. It's game time.
Game time.
Here's our little box.
Just had a mint.
It is now 11:13. That was insane. Basically, we just went from 6 to 10:45 of recruiting. At first, I was nervous, but then like the conversation just kind of flowed. I asked the same kind of questions like, where are you from? What's your major? Like, what do you like to do? Which I feel bad because I know they get like the same questions, but it's kind of hard like when you first meet someone. Yeah, I don't know. This round, like no one really like stuck out to me a ton, but this last girl I had, I loved her so much. She was like a queen. My big was saying you'd have like a rush crush. I don't know. I know it's like early on, so we also have all day tomorrow. It's still round 1. So yeah, it's kind of hard to like keep your energy up because for them, this is their first time coming in the house and like seeing like we do like this chant. We go like Z-E-T-A, we're the girls from Zeta. Walk right in, you'll want to stay. Don't miss out, go ZTA. So it just kind of took a while. I forget what I was saying with that. I blanked. I'm like dead. I'm like dead inside right now. Oh yeah, because it's like their first time, so you have to like kind of be high energy. But for you, you've been doing it for 4 hours straight. So it's hard to like not just be like Z, like you have to be, you know, it's their first time. So you have to be like happy and like interested. So hopefully I was. I like tried to be because I was like aware of that. And it's like nice meeting all the new people. Like it's also like new freshmen coming into the school, so it's fun. I think I'm gonna take my makeup off, go to bed, and I will see you guys for part 2 of round 1. Good morning. It is now day 2. It is 9 o'clock. We're supposed to be there by like 8:45, like out in the main room. Today was like so much harder to get up. I got up at like 8:05 and we're supposed to be ready by 8:45, but I just got all ready. I tried to like recreate my makeup. I put my hair in a braid because it just really needs to be washed right now. Same outfit. I just like rolled up the sleeves. Shoes. These are Princess Polly. Urban Outfitters are the pants. weekends. Yeah, I think we get lunch today, which is good because we usually don't eat on the weekends, but they're bringing lunch today, which is nice. We have like one 50-minute break and I think that's it. But I did get like a good amount of sleep last night. I don't know, everything ended really late. So I went to bed like around 12:45, which was like later than I thought, but I don't know, I didn't even do anything. I don't know, it just like was 1 a.m. all of a sudden. Feeling good now, had some coffee. I had like a little mini RX bar for breakfast, so it should be good until lunch. How are you guys feeling about round 1, part 2?
Feeling excited but tired.
Yeah.
Feeling nervous for the long day.
I just got my name tag. We put it like above the A. It's kind of nice my hair's pulled back because then they can see the name tag well. Like I tried to put my hair back when I had it down yesterday. It's really nice out. The patio doors are open. There's some girls out there. Yeah, I'm actually excited. I feel like the morning is like a better vibe. I don't know. Last night was good, but it was like kind of weird because we started at 6. Whereas today it's like obviously just getting up and doing it. So I'm kind of excited.
Oh my god, so much pain.
It's like 30 minutes before it starts, so we're getting really ready because we're usually like all lined up and ready like 10 minutes before. So yeah, okay. I'll see you guys like probably tonight. It is now post round 1. Yeah, this round went good. Just like the same thing. Yeah, just like pretty long. We had a lunch break. We had some wraps at like 2. Oh, she's about to tumble. We're on the way to the library now to be productive. Like in my room, I just fall asleep, so going to the library.
I feel like we ended well today.
Oh yeah, I agree.
Oh no.
That's the record button.
Oh my gosh. The small button.
We have Kylie, Jane, Julia's getting ready. We have pink shoes, black jeans, and a tank top. This time I think we talked to them longer. So that'll be interesting. 12 parties. Oh my gosh, we only had 10 yesterday. All right, I'll bring you outside. Cass, oh wait, do you want to be in the vlog?
Sure.
This is our VP of recruitment.
Hey, welcome.
How's it going so far? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous, like I'm gonna put my
Okay.
pants, but feeling good.
Okay.
Energized. House looks great.
Woo.
Feeling great. Bam.
Pink yogurt for a pink day.
We have a little Zeta ribbon. How are you guys feeling for round 2?
So excited.
Really? I know it's like longer today. I'm too
so
good.
excited.
I was really looking for you. We're outside.
Round 2. Round 2. Pink, pink.
It is 12:45. We actually had a break today, like a whole round off and lunch. We had wraps again. This round has been going good. I thought we talked to them longer, but it's actually like still a short amount of time. I just made some coffee. I think we're gonna go take some photos because we didn't get any. We didn't get any this morning. Here's Julia. There's like a lot of people coming in and out of the room. Our room is like a mess. We need to like clean after this. Like a party. I know. Yeah, just a long day, kind of. I like the girls a lot though.
Oh, did you hear we're ending at 5?
We narrowed them down. No.
We don't end at 10 anymore.
That's like 3 more hours. We have till like 1:32 and it's like 12:50.
No, we have till 2.
Till 2 to be up there? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go take some photos and I'll probably clean because this needs to be cleaned. Okay, it is now about 5 o'clock and round 2 is done. Round 2 is just one day. It was really nice. We had 2 videos. One was like a national video for our philanthropy and then the other was a chapter video that I edited. It was like my first video that I edited. I usually just help with like the Instagram stuff because I'm like assistant to the historian. The historian is Caitlin. I love her. So me and a girl named Molly are her assistants. So yeah, it was cool seeing my video being played. We just like talked to them, kind of similar to the other rounds. Yeah, apparently Zeta's getting really good reviews, which is good because like I think I'm doing a good job at recruiting, but also I don't know, it's like hard to tell, so it's just like good to hear that we're doing well. Yeah, it's so nice. We have a week off. We have like 1 workshop on Tuesday, but that's about it. And then I think recruitment ends this weekend. Like we still have round 3 and 4. Let me see. Yeah, round 3 is on the 22nd, then day 2 of round 3 is on the 23rd, then pref day is the 24th and bid day is the 25th. So we will be all done by the time the month is over, but then like big little process starts, which is like a whole nother thing. So people are like already finding members that they want to be their littles. It's crazy. Potential new members, I don't know. Hopefully they go Zeta though if they like them that much. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna take a break from this video, unwind, and I will see you guys over the weekend. Love you.